Hey there, real estate investors. Investing in land can be a fantastic way to build wealth, but it's not without its pitfalls. Today, I'm breaking down the top land investment mistakes and, most importantly, how you can avoid them. First up, failing to research the land thoroughly. Just because a plot looks great or has an attractive price doesn't mean it's a good investment. You need to dig into zoning regulations, soil quality, flood zones, and access to utilities. Always do your due diligence, get a survey done, and work with a reputable agent or lawyer. Next, underestimating hidden costs. Land might seem cheap initially, but there are often hidden costs like land clearing, utility hookups, and property taxes. Make sure you build a comprehensive budget that includes both acquisition and development costs. Another big mistake, ignoring infrastructure and access. Don't get lured by cheap remote land only to find out later it lacks essential infrastructure like roads, water, and electricity. Verify road access and the feasibility of utility connections before you buy. Also, neglecting to check land titles and legal status can lead to costly legal battles or total loss. Always perform a title search through your local land registry or use a lawyer to verify the land is clean and transferable. Buying based on emotion, not strategy, is another common pitfall. Some investors buy land because it looks scenic without a solid plan for ROI, have a clear investment goal, and ensure the land supports that goal. Failing to consider market demand can lead to stagnation in value. Study local real estate trends, population growth, and economic activity before investing. Overlooking land use restrictions is another costly mistake. Check with the local planning department to ensure your intended use is allowed. Lastly, not thinking long-term. Land typically appreciates over time, so be prepared for a long-term strategy. Consider land flipping, leasing, or development if you need intermediate cash flow. Remember, land investment offers incredible opportunities, but success depends on research, planning, and awareness of risks. Avoid these common mistakes to save money, legal trouble, and disappointment, and set yourself on the path to sustainable long-term wealth. Ready to invest smarter? Follow Landzil for more expert insights, tips, and tools to make your land investment journey a success. Catch you in the next video.